Hi guys, how is it going? How's your day been? Now in this video we're going to take a look at installing the Whitestone dome glass, EZ glass camera lens protector for your iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro, or you've got the mini here, or you can install for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's take a look. So we're going to install this for this camera right here. Now on this one here, I already have the lens protector, but I'm not too happy with it, because this one here, it doesn't actually protect the whole camera compartment. It just only protect the camera lens itself. So I'm just going to take it off, and then we're going to give it a good clean with alcohol wipes and dust remover sticker. So I'm just going to open up this alcohol wipe. So now using the alcohol wipe, we're just going to wipe clean. So give it a real good clean. And then I'm going to use this cloth to dry it. So the camera lens, there's 3 of them. They're all 12 megapixel, allowing you to take wide angle, extra wide, and telephoto lens. So you want to protect it as much as possible. I can see already some dust coming in to the side here, not inside the lens but around the edge. So they already dust. So that's why as soon as you get your phone, you should get a protector. So I'm going to get this dust remover, and then we kind of like sticking on like this, so that will remove any dust. And also try to work in an environment where there is not much dust. So if you go out in open space, that would be ideal. And then next we're going to apply the screen protector. So make sure you are facing it the right way. So you can see there's a dot right here. Make sure it's aligned with this dot right here, not that way or the other way. So I'm just gonna open up the lens. So down here is basically just adhesive. So we're just gonna place it right on top of the camera lens like that. So I'm just trying to zoom in while doing this, so you can actually see what's going on. So we're just going to carefully place it basically over the top. So align them as best as you can. So it needs to be sit around like this. So we're just going to do our best to align it, and then kind of like push down firmly so that it's sticking into one place. So let's go around and have a look on the edge here what it looks like. So you can see what it looks like around here. You can see it build up a little bit of a bump on top. So now the purpose is to basically give extra protection for your camera. So in case, if you have your phone in a purse or wallet or in your pockets, sometimes this part here can crash against the key, and it can definitely crack the glass back here. So that's why it's definitely a good idea you get a good quality camera lens protector. And also the lens needs to be in good quality, otherwise if it's milky or blurry, it can stopping you from having a beautiful photos taken or a beautiful video. So I just want to make sure that it sits in nice and tight. So just try to press against the edge here, and that's it. So that's how you can apply it and install the camera lens protection for your Whitestone on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, or the Max. Thank you for watching this video. please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So let's just open up the camera and have a look. So I'm just going to tap on continue. So you can see here it's still allowing you to take a clear, crystal clear picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.